right, welcome back, everyone. I think we got that audio issue sorted out. So here's today's Artist Expressions segment.
Hi, I'm Brian McDonald. I was born in Scotland a long time ago, in the 60s, and I've trained as a chartered architect. As an architect, it's almost expected that you can draw, because I think this is what's exciting for clients, is this free-form expression. And the boring thing is the architectural drawings, which you give to a contractor to build. Computers are a useful tool, but they cannot compete with a hand drawing when you're sitting with a client and expressing. As soon as they speak, I'm almost trying to interpret what they're saying directly onto paper. And I think that's the kind of the sexy part of architecture, when you've got the client in at the very, very beginning and they're sitting in front of an architect. They have a certain expectation. It's not, well, we'll wait till I get to the computer and I'll draft it out for you. So I think that's one of my strengths as a professional. Amongst other professionals, I think it's good to be able to sketch. Many architects do and many architects can't, because they do like using computers. But it's been a while since I've actually sat down and relaxed and sketched a Cayman building or a Cayman cottage. So I'd like to get back to that. To sit and actually draw and kind of disappear within yourself, to explore your creativity is difficult. So from an architectural standpoint, I have to be able to deal with space, forms, walls, how to enclose that space, how each space relates to each other. And at the end of the day, just try and create a very easy to use utilitarian building, because it's a kitchen and there's a bathroom, there's a right place and the wrong place to place them. I can't do portraits because it's probably one of the hardest things to do, is to draw a foot, to draw a thumb. So for me, getting into buildings, it helps if you know how things are constructed, how things are put together, helps you to interpret in 3 dimensions onto paper, and that's the dichotomy of the architect's brain. Well, I think if they understand, then they'll be able to develop their drawing skills. And you can't just suddenly be something without practicing. You have to go to university, you have to study, you have to work hard. Nothing comes easy. So you study, you learn, you practice, you read. It's all going to happen. But it's not going to happen overnight, and it's not magic. You do have to work hard to get to where you want to be.
And yes, you do have to work hard to get where you want to. If you'd like to contact Brian, you can certainly email him, and that's Brian at design-cayman.ky. All right, everyone, and if you'd also like to be highlighted as one of our artists on our Artist Expressions segment, feel free to email us, daybreak@cayman27.com.ky. Well, on Daybreak tomorrow, tune in at 7 a.m. as we'll be talking about Honoring Women Month, which is taking place next month. We're going to get started early right here on Daybreak. Cynthia Hughes is going to be in the kitchen with our quick and easy cooking segment. I can smell it now. As well as the Orchid Show is right around the corner. Every Wednesday we have a little inner peace topic, so find out what that is. And another Junior Achievement Company hopefully will be here with us tomorrow morning. So make sure you tune in at 7 a.m. What a